All right, this is Project 3, and the team that we work together is Austin.
Hey, this is Corey.
And AJ.
So for the first part, we had to determine the mean, the standard deviation, and the counts, which are the frequencies for the numbers found in columns N1 through 6. So we can look over here to the Excel, and I created a little user form that will do all this calculating for us. So if we just want to find the mean, we can click here, and then you can see it found the mean for all of those columns. So then we want to find the standard deviation. We can just click here, and the standard deviation shows up for columns 1 through 6. Now I'll slide this over here, and we can find the counts. It's going to fill out this chart down here. So we just do that, and it just filled out all the counts. And this is just showing, so right here we have 40, so that means the number 1 occurred 40 times in column 1, and the number 2 occurred 55 times in column 1. And so this is just the counts for all of that.
Okay, now I'm gonna okay, there we go. Alright, so here I did the combination and permutations for each row. Each column. So here you have N1, N2, N3, N4, N5, N6. The permutation for N1, N2, and N3, N4, N5, and N6. And the combinations are down here. Now, the way that you could find that is you just say equal, and there's a combin function to find the combination, and then the permutation is permute. Okay, now that's how you find that. So wait, and okay, now to see what are the chances of winning with the top 5 numbers, would be this number right here. And the way that I found this was by using different combination different combination numbers, which was using first choosing 6 out of 6 numbers, or six columns, choosing 6 numbers, then times the combination of 75, and so at the end it gave you 1, and this equals that once you do 1 over that, and so that's the chances of winning.
We also had to use MATLAB and generate a million numbers and choose like the top 5 count for each number of those million numbers. So we can swipe over here to Windows, and in MATLAB we wrote this code right here that generates a million numbers, which you can see over here in the command window, and then also with an array of the top 5 numbers for the columns. We created a selector, like a random selector, and it will select like those 5 numbers, and if they match up with the million numbers that were generated, then you won the lottery. So this is just another section of our project that we're doing. Stay tuned for next week for the next series and further continuation in this study that we're doing.
Have a good night.